Hello everyone, I am Jiangyi Fang, one of the authors of the paper Effective Online 3D in Packing with Lookahead Parcels using Monte Carlo research. Every day, millions of parcels are packed by robots in modern logistics centers. At first glance, the task seems simple. Pack items efficiently, one by one. When parcels arriving on the conveyor belt are uniform and well structured. A robotic arm powered by deep reinforcement learning can stack them effortlessly, forming tight and stable piles with almost no wasted space. But in the real world, parcels arrive randomly. They come in batches, food in the morning, clothes in the afternoon, oversized items without warning. Most reinforcement learning models are trained offline, assuming the world stays stable. When the distribution suddenly shifts, these models often make irreversible mistakes. Human workers behave very differently. They briefly look ahead, anticipate what might come next, and adjust early, especially when things look unfamiliar. We ask a simple question: what if a robot could do the same? Plan a few steps ahead, and adapt when the future looks unusual. Then, let's begin discussion. How should online learning systems reason about the near future when the world is constantly changing? Can we obtain insights from human packing behavior?